everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I have a good one for you guys. You see the thumbnail. Today we're making this amazing honey garlic lemon pepper. Absolutely easy to follow, yet super duper delicious. But before we begin with the recipe, if you are new to my channel, please take a quick second to subscribe. Also, leave a like if you enjoyed today's recipe, and let's get started. All right, guys, here are the ingredients you will need to make this recipe very easy. I have onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper, and a little bit of paprika to season my chicken. I have 1 stick of unsalted butter, and also we have about 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper seasoning. And here I have a few slices of lemon just to garnish the plate once I'm done. And here I have about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and also we have 1/4 cup of pure honey, and also we have some fresh parsley to just garnish the plate after. And last but not least, we have our chicken wings. All right, the ingredients will be down below, so please check that out. Now moving on, first thing I like to do is cut my chicken wings into small pieces. I really hate that tiny part. I know some of you guys might like it, but I don't like it, so I'm going to cut it into small pieces. Since we're using an air fryer for today's recipe, it's best to cut the chicken into small pieces. That way it'll cook faster. All right, guys, now that we have our chicken wings nice and cut, I am going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil on there. This is olive oil, by the way. I'm going to mix it with my hands just to make sure the chicken is well coated with the oil. Then we're going to pour our seasoning on there. Once you add your seasoning, you are going to use your hand to mix the seasoning with the chicken. Make sure each and every one of the chicken wings are coated with the seasoning. Now this is what I called a well-seasoned chicken. Now I'm going to be using this air fryer for today's recipe. I love using this air fryer. This is my everyday air fryer. It's very large and it has about 5 presets. And one thing I really like about this air fryer, while it's air frying, you are able to see your food in there because it has a glass. You are able to see your chicken in there, and that's what I'm doing, and that's why I like it. Now, this video is not sponsored by any means, but I do have a link. I will leave it down below for you guys. It's on Amazon. Hopefully you guys give it a try if you are in the market looking for one. I like this one. I like to use it. Maybe you can take my recommendation for it. Yeah. Now I'm going to air fry it for 20 minutes. Once my 20 minutes is up, on 380, by the way, once it's up, I am going to take it out. As you guys can see how it's looking so far, I am going to flip it over and cook the other side for another 15 minutes. Now, once the 15 minutes are up, this is what it looks like. Very nice and crispy. You can leave it for another 5 minutes if you want it to be crispier. However, it'll get a little bit too dry, so 15 minutes is the max I will recommend for this one. Look how delicious these wings are. Now I'm going to set these aside, moving on to my garlic butter sauce. To a hot skillet, I am going to place the butter. Allow the butter to start melting. Then I am going to be adding in my minced garlic. We're going to cook the garlic for about 30 seconds to a minute until it started to fragrance a little bit. And then we'll add our honey. Now I'm going to pour in my honey just like so. I am going to give that a stir and allow it to simmer for about 30 seconds to a minute, just like that. Now I'm going to remove the honey garlic butter sauce from the heat and we're going to pour it onto our wings. Look at those wings. They're looking absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so we're going to pour the honey garlic on there just like that. Ooh, I know some might say, oh, why you add so much butter? Because we're making honey garlic lemon pepper. Come on now, you know the deal, you know how we do it. Now I'm going to add some parsley on there, give that a nice toss just like that. Make sure the lemon pepper is well coated with the chicken because every bite of this chicken needs to be well coated with the lemon pepper. All right, give that a toss. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how easy it is to make yourself some bomb honey garlic lemon pepper at home. Okay, time for the taste test. I cannot wait. My mouth is literally watering right now. Let's try this one. Ooh. Mmm. So good. Mmm. It's so hot. Perfect. You tasting the sweet, the sourness from the lemon. Mmm. Oh yes, it's definitely banging. It's absolutely delicious. All right guys, thank you so much for watching today's recipe. I hope you enjoy it. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up for me if you haven't done so already. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.